Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, very good evening. What we done that last class? Once tell me now. I think last class I gave all the formulas and I think 2 to 3 questions we completed. It's correct. Based
Yes,
on the
sir.
rate of change we done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. What happened? Only 12 members are there now. Means 11 students are present. Ah, right now. One question right. Next one you can write. Next one you can write now. Just I will dictate you can write because the statement questions writing on the board it will take more time. I'll dictate you can write. The radius of a circle. The radius of a circle. The radius of a circle is increasing. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly. Increasing uniformly at the rate of at the rate of at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. At the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Full stop. Find the rate. Find the rate. Find the rate yet the rate yet the rate yet which area of a circle which area of a circle hello sir బయట క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను సార్ మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ నేను చేస్తాను సార్ మళ్ళీ సరే ఓకే సార్ రైట్ ద రేట్ విచ్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఏ సర్కిల్ increasing when radius is 10 centimeters. When radius is 10 centimeters, radius is 10 centimeter long. 10 centimeter long. This is the question now.
So,
Ah,
so can you repeat from at the rate of 3 centimeter per second?
this
Because
one,
of it. Yeah, after that.
The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly. The radius of a circle
Yes, sir.
is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. At the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Full stop. Find the rate. Find the rate which area of a circle increasing when radius is 10 centimeter long. This is the question now. Now what is given and what we have to find. Understand the problem clearly and you can say to me. Here what they gave and what we have to find. That idea you got means then whatever they're asking problems in examination easily will do that. No doubt at all. Now in this problem what is given and what we have to find. Anyone?
So dr by dt is given.
Yes,
R is
very
given.
good. Dr by dt is given. We have to find
We have to find d a by dt.
dA by
Area.
dt we have to find. Yes, very good. Because they're starting they given very clearly. The radius of a circle increasing. And what is the meaning of the radius of a circle is increasing? Increasing means it will be changing. It is the rate of change with respect to the time. With respect to the time. But what will be increasing here now? Radius will be increasing. So radius is increasing with okay with respect to the time it is. That means dr by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second is given. And we have to find here the rate which area of a circle increasing. Again, so what is the meaning of area of circle is increasing here? Means we have to find the rate of change of the area. We have to find means dr by, okay, da by, but previous also radius in here we are taking with respect to time we are taking. So here also same thing only. So da by dt we have to find. At last we can substitute here now in place of radius 10 centimeters. We can substitute in there. Yes, clearly you can write now.
Sir, is the answer 60 pi?
Very good. Given dr by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second. 3 centimeter per second is given. And we have to find dA by dt equal to how much? dA by dt equal to how much? This is the question mark. All the problems you can take like this. Okay. Now we can write now. Let, if what you can take in the radius equal to r1 you can take and area equal to. Let a comma r are area and radius of circle respectively. Radius of circle respectively. Then you can write these two conditions you can write. So therefore dr by dt equal to 3 centimeters per second and dA by dt equal to, we have to find. Now you can write the area. So therefore area of circle equal to pi r square. We know very well that formula. That means you can write now a equal to pi r square. This one you can differentiate. So differentiate with respect to, but don't take radius here. Now with respect to time we have to take. With respect to time. So this is I can write now dA by dt equal to pi is the constant value because the pi equal to either 3.14 or 22 by 7. So pi into differentiation of 2r square equal to get now 2r into dr by dt. So dr by dt. But dr by dt equal to already we have the values there. 3 centimeters. You can substitute in there. So this is the 2 pi r into 3 centimeters. 2 3s are 6 pi r. But r equal to, they given very clearly. But the radius r equal to 10 centimeters. That one you can substitute in there. So therefore dA by dt equal to 6 pi into 10. It is equal to 60 pi centimeter square per second. 60 pi centimeter square per second. That is the answer. Clear now? The question? Very easy, simple questions only. But application is given means understanding the problem is more important. If you completed means write next one. You will write next one now. Finish. Right, next one. Question number 6. The radius of a circle, same model. Because if you done the same model 1 or 2 question means understand clearly that. Right. The radius of a circle is increasing. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeters per second. 0.7 centimeter per second. Full stop. What is the rate of increase?
Sir,
What
at
is
the rate-
the rate of increase? What is the rate of increase? Rate of increase of its circumference, of its circumference, of its circumference. Here, what is the meaning of circumference? Circumference means,
2 pi r, sir.
then what is the meaning of that? Perimeter. It's correct. Perimeter, circumference, both are same thing only. It is equal to 2 pi r. But previous we are taking the area, but now we have to take circumference. The same thing only you can write now. First, let, what is that? C comma R, or circumference comma radius of circle respectively. Circle respectively. So therefore, here what is given now? dr by dt equal to, they given very clear, 0.7 centimeter per second is given. Centimeter per second. And what we have to find here now? We have to find dc by dt equal to question mark. Is correct? dc by dt we have to find. So therefore, circumference of a circle equal to circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r. The formula we have, that means c equal to 2 pi r. C equal to 2 pi r. So differentiate with respect to t on both sides. T on both sides. T on both sides. So therefore, it is will get a dc by dt equal to, anyhow 2 pi is the constant value, but differentiation of r equal to, will get a dr by dt. So 2 pi into, but dr by dt equal to, we got the value 0.7. But 2 into 0.7 equal to, will get now 1.4 pi centimeter per second. This is the value of dc by dt. dc by dt equal to. After completing that one, just anyone tell me, then I will tell you next question. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Right, next one. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. QUIET. Quiet lake. Okay. Quiet lake. And waves moves and quiet lake and waves moves along. Okay, waves moves in a circles at a speed of at a speed of at a oh, you're getting the only off only. The speed of speed of 5 centimeter per second. 5 centimeter per second. Full stop. Yet the instant at the instant comma at the instant comma when the radius of circular wave is when the radius of circular wave of circular wave is circular wave is 8 centimeter. Circular wave is 8 centimeter. Full stop. How fast how fast how fast how fast the how fast the enclosed area is the enclosed area increasing. Enclosed area increasing. This is the question. Okay, what is that? A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and the waves moves in a circles at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. At a speed of 4 centimeter per second. Full stop. At the instant when the radius of a circular wave is 10 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? That means suppose you can already, I think you know very well that one. Suppose we went to the lake, means we thrown the stone. What will happen now? Suppose we thrown the stone here. The waves are coming like this. It's correct. It's increasing like this. The waves are increasing like this. That means the full lake will get like this. This is only they are telling very clearly. That means what happened here now? We thrown the stone here means generally this is the what you call this one. This is the we call as the radius. So what is increasing here now? The radius is increasing. The radius is increasing. So here now the radius is increasing with respect to the time. How much they given now? 5 centimeter per second is given. That means clearly they given that value dr by dt equal to 5 centimeter per second. 5 centimeter per second is given. But you know at the instant when the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter, that means at last after finding the area, in the place of radius we have to substitute here now 8 centimeters we have to substitute. And r equal to 8 centimeters is given. R equal to 8 centimeters. And what we have to find? What we have to find here now? See now how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? This one. That means clearly we have to find here now dA by dt equal to how much? This is the problem is given. Understood? Clear this problem now? Anyone tell me what is the difference between previous and this problem? And before this one we done 2 questions. What is the difference between previous 2 and this one? Any difference is there or both are same? Same only. But actually the sentence formation they give the different, that's all. Previous problems they gave very clear directly. The radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of. That is the given time there. But here they're telling the indirect way. When you throw the stone in a lake, Obviously, it is just a compulsory. We are getting that one. Some circular waves we are getting anywhere. What is circular waves here? It will be increasing like this. So it will be increasing means compulsory. The radius will be increasing. That's why we are taking clearly that dr by dt equal to how much? 5 centimeter per second. But at the instant, at the same time, the radius of the circular wave is how much? 8 centimeters. That means when you're finding the dA by dt on the time in place of radius, you can substitute here now 8 centimeters. We get the answer. The same we can write now, but here you can take let a comma r or area and radius of a circle respectively. Circular wave. You can write now it is the circular wave respectively. The dr by dt equal to, they given very clearly 5 centimeter per second. 5 centimeter per second. Here we have to find now dA by dt equal to how much? Now here you can write now area of circle equal to how much? Pi r square. So therefore A equal to pi r square. So differentiate with respect to time on both sides. So therefore dA by dt equal to, anyhow pi is the constant value, differentiation of r square equal to 2r into dr by dt. So this is the pi into 2r into dr by dt equal to, they gave the value 5 centimeters. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 or pi. But r equal to 8 centimeters. Substitute in there now. So therefore dA by dt equal to 10 into 8 into pi. 10 into dA by dt equal to 10 into 8 into pi. Now it is equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second. 80 pi centimeter square per second. Why you take a centimeter square means it is the area. Area is always square units. We taken perimeter or circumference, we are taking as only normal units only. Volume means we have to take always cubic units. Okay? Yes, the answer. Now based on the circle, already last class I gave based on the area. If they given directly area is given, then how to find the remaining I gave. But now these three questions are based on the, suppose if radius is increasing at some radius, then what is the how much area will be increasing? We are finding in these three questions. Okay. Hotel next one now. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, next one. the length the length the length x the length x of a rectangle, the length x of a rectangle is
Can you repeat, sir? I had internet problem.
the length x of a rectangle, the length x of a rectangle.
So this chapter is for how many marks, sir?
This also almost will get 7 to 8 marks will get.
So
Okay, here
this
also,
chapter alone, how much weightage?
actually here now from the rate of change we'll get one problem in examination. Rate of change or also the slope of tangent. The slope of the tangent. Optional here now. One more approximation is there. Approximation and strictly increasing. Okay. So these are the 4 to 5 concepts we have. So based on the 5 concepts, we will get almost 7 to 8 marks we'll get. One question compulsory will get for 3 marks. And one question will get for the either 5 marks question will get essay question. Okay. And one question compulsory will get 1 mark question like that. Okay. I think we got some syllabus changes from central board.
Yes, sir.
Is correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
once one class will discuss about that also. We'll say that. You know how much they gave, what are the concepts they reduced to that. Once I will say that.
But till now, the
But
competitive part is not confirmed, like how much they're decreasing.
But compulsory, we have to solve all the chapters.
Sir.
Understood now? But examination point of view, but what are the portion you have? That one you can prepare. That's all. But don't think like it is some concepts will be deleted. That is not required. Maybe now it's not required. That is useful for the next. But suppose they are asking any competitive examination, maybe KCET or JEE means some other examinations. Compulsory they ask from the all the concepts. Okay. Only board examination point of view only just we will get some less. The length x of a rectangle, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. 3 centimeter per second. Full stop. And the width is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. 2 centimeter per minute. I think previous also that is the minutes only. 3 centimeter not second. This also minute only can take. 3 centimeter minute and 2 centimeter.
So do we need to convert that into meter per
Why
second?
necessarily in terms of the final answer you can write in terms of minutes only you can write. Okay. In terms of minutes only you can write. Full stop. When x equal to 10 and y equal to 6, when x equal to 10 and y equal to 6 centimeter, x equal to 10 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter. Full stop. Find the rate of change of. Find the rate of change of. Find the rate of change of first one. The perimeter. The perimeter and second one area. The perimeter and the area of rectangle. Perimeter and the area of rectangle. The area of rectangle. The question now. Okay, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute, and the width is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 10 and y equal to 6 centimeters, find the rate of change of first the perimeter and second one the area of the rectangle. Tell me now, what is given? What is given?
X upon dt,
Dx by dt. How much is given?
3 centimeter per second.
Directly will take 3 centimeter per second per minute.
Yes.
They given, see now, decreasing. But what is the difference between decreasing and increasing? Increasing means we are taking the same, whatever the given value, positive value we are taking. But what is the meaning of decreasing here?
Negative value should take, sir.
Negative value we have to take. Okay. Here if they given, suppose they get decreasing at the rate of change is decreasing. You can take always a negative value. You can take increasing. You can take always a positive value. That means they given two values here now. One is the dx by dt equal to -3, but don't take +3 here now. -3 centimeter per minute, and dy by dt equal to 2 centimeter per minute. The two values is given, and this x equal to 10 centimeters and y equal to 6 centimeters. You can utilize later when it is after differentiating the perimeter and area with respect to the time. With respect to the time, on the time you can utilize these two values. What is the first one? Of the perimeter of the rectangle we have to find. So perimeter rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. But here what is the length and what is the breadth here now? The length equal to x and y equal to breadth. Y equal to breadth. So both you can write now. The same conditions you can take. Let you can write. So if taken now, is the rectangle. Rectangle ABCD you can take. Rectangle ABCD. We know very well that these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal now. So the length equal to you can take x, the breadth equal to you can take here now y. Now we can write now. Let a comma, if you want the perimeter also you can take a comma p comma x comma y, or what is that? Area comma perimeter comma length. X means you can write now length, and y means you can write now breadth. The breadth in the sense you can take here now width is given. If you want take width, breadth both are same thing only. Width of rectangle respectively. Width of rectangle respectively. Width of rectangle respectively. Now we can take what is given here now. First you can write the given values. You can write given very clearly dx by dt equal to how much? -3 centimeter per minute. Because why you taking the minus here means they given that the rate of decreasing at the rate of. What is the meaning of decreasing here? If they given decreasing means you can take compulsory minus we have to take, and dy by dt equal to increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute, means 2 centimeter per minute. This is dx by dt equal to -3 and dy by dt equal to 2 centimeters. Now we can take the first one. What is the first one? Now perimeter we have to find. So you can write clearly that perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into x plus y. Because why you take an x plus y means x is the length and y is the breadth here now. But we know the formula 2 into L plus b. This is the symbol p equal to 2 into x plus y now. So differentiate with respect to time on both sides. Time on both sides. Now we can differentiate now. So this is the dp by dt equal to 2 is the constant value. Any have that? This is actually 2 into x, 2x plus 2y it is. So what you get? This is the dx by dt plus 2 into dy by dt. 2 into dy by dt. So you can write 2 into dx by dt equal to how much they given? Minus 3 plus 2 into dy by dt equal to 2 is given. 2 into minus 3 equal to minus 6 plus 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So the difference equal to how much? Minus 2 now. So dp by dt equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Centimeter per minute. But this is we got negative value. Then what you are saying that one? It will be increasing or decreasing it is? dp by dt equal to we got minus 2 now. Then what you are saying? The perimeter is decreasing or increasing?
Decreasing, sir.
Right, the same thing right now. So therefore, the rate of change of perimeter, is decreasing. Therefore, the rate of change of perimeter, if you want to contain P, contain no problem that one. P is decreasing. The first one. Okay. The same way now we can take here a second one. What is the second one here? The area we have to take. Area also you can find now. Directly same easy only. Find it. Find the area. Same thing. Just you can write the formula and you can find it. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, x into y. There compulsory you can utilize that one. EV formula we have to utilize. Second one, area of rectangle equal to xy. This also you can write xy. If you want, you can write centimeter square per minute. So you can write now a equal to xy. Same, differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So dA by dt equal to E formula can apply. So u into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. So the two values you can substitute in there now. Okay. And here we done one small. It's correct only, but you can mention that one. Why we are taking here now? Further, no, it's okay. It's not required. But here only required that because x and y separately we got. Now you can substitute in there now. So therefore, dA by dt equal to the value of x equal to how much they given now? 10. 10 into minus 3. Sorry, this is the dy by dt equal to 2 only. Plus, this is the 6 into minus 3 now. Since you can write x equal to 10 centimeters and y equal to 6 centimeters. In bracket, you can mention that. Or else before that, you can write now, but x equal to and y equal to. So 10 to 20 is okay. 2 10s are 20 minus 3 6 are 18. So it is equal to 2 centimeter square per minute. This is the value of dA by dt equal to dA by dt. But we got positive means what happened now? The area of the rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Okay. Are you getting or simply you're copying? After just you can tell me, remind me, just I will tell the next question.
Answer.
Finish? Yes,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Right. Next. But these are all the questions related to the first exercise only. First exercise and their examples and all those things. Okay? Because the first exercise is completely depending on only rate of change. But still we have so many questions are there. Right now? Right, next one. An edge of a variable, an edge of a variable cube is the variable cube is increasing at the rate of 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 3 centimeter per second. 3 centimeter per second. Full stop. How fast is the volume? How fast is the volume of the cube is increasing of the cube is increasing the question mark, you can write the question mark here now, when the edge is 10 centimeter long. When the edge is 10 centimeter long. The question now. Okay, this is the question now. Tell me what is given actually in this problem now. What is given and what we have to find. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. What is the meaning of edge here now? Side only. Side is given. Suppose you can take here now, in the problem itself I can write here, let V, because volume is given, because at last we have to find the volume of the cube is increasing. That means let I can take here V comma X or volume and edge of cube respectively. Edge of cube respectively. Edge of cube respectively. And given, what is given here now? Dx by dt equal to how much? 3 centimeter per second is given. I'm correct? Because in the edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter. Now what the edge here now? X. That means dx by dt equal to, that means derivative of x with derivative of edge with respect to the time. So dx by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second. And what we have to find here now? So the fast that volume of the cube is increasing. How fast is the volume of the cube is increasing? That means clearly we have to find here dy by dt equal to question mark. We have to find this. Now you can write that. Therefore, volume of cube equal to we know the formula. What is the formula we have? Edge cube. That means you can write now x cube. Length into breadth into height. So x into x into x equal to x cube. Therefore, v equal to x cube now. V equal to x cube. So differentiate with respect to t on both sides. T on both sides. So therefore dv by dt equal to dv by dt equal to, so differentiation of x cube with respect to time equal to what you get, 3x square into dx by dt, dx by dt. But we know very well that one. But x equal to how much? The edge equal to 10 centimeter long is given. So 10 x equal to 10 centimeters. And dx by dt also we know very well that problem itself is given 3 centimeter per second. So both you can substitute in there now. So 3 into 3 square into 10. So it is equal to 3. 3 square means 9. 3 9s are 27. Into 10 equal to, you can write now 270 centimeter cube per second is the value of dy by dt. Because if you take in volume, all it will be cubic units only. Area means we'll take a square units, and volume means we'll take here now cubic units. Is it correct?
dx by dt is 3 and x is
Oh, this
10.
is the 3 only, na? Okay, yeah, this is the 10 now. X equal 10, correct? This
Yes,
is
bro.
t. So what you get, tell me, the 3s are 9, 10 square means 100. So 900 it is. 900, yes. Because x equal to 10. And dx by dt equal to 3. 900 centimeter cube per second. This is the next one. completed. We finished. So now in this question, what is given? Tell me now. See, a balloon always remains spherical on inflation. Is being inflated by pumping in 900 centimeter is the cubic centimeters. So what 900 cc means? 900 cubic centimeters per second. Per second. And find the rate at which radius of balloon increases when radius is 15 centimeter. When radius is 15 centimeter. So what is given? Tell me now. What is given and what we have to find. In this problem now, what is given and what we have to find. Simple question. But is the look like it is a big one. It is they given some different question, but it's very easy one.
So dp by dt is given.
What is that? dv by dt equal to dv by dt is given.
Yes, sir.
Always should remember that one. With a given cubic centimeter, that means always just blindly you can write dv by dt. That's all. 900 centimeters cubic centimeters per second. That means with respect to time they're taking. That means dv by dt equal to 900 centimeter cube.
Find dr by dt.
And we have to find now dr by dt. But what is the shape of this balloon now?
Yes, sir.
Sphere. What is the volume of sphere formula?
4
4 by 3
4 by 3 pi r cube.
pi r
r
cube.
square.
Pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Understood now? So we will take the volume of sphere we are taking. Volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiating with respect to time on both sides. Then dv by dt equal to will get some value. So in place of dv by dt, 900 you can substitute in there now. At last you can find easily dr by dt. Right now, let v comma r v comma r volume and radius of spherical balloon respectively and they given very clearly given dv by dt equal to 900 centimeter cube per second, and we have to find here now dr by dt equal to question mark. Dr by dt equal to we have to find when x is okay, but radius is 15 centimeters. Later we can take that. Now we can write the volume of sphere. You can write. So therefore, volume of sphere equal to volume of sphere, or you can write no, don't write here sphere. It is sphere. It is a balloon. You can write balloon equal to, we know the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means here now v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So differentiate with respect to t on both sides. T on both sides. So therefore dv by dt equal to anyhow is the 4 by 3 pi is the constant value. So differentiation of r cube equal to, will get now 3r square into dr by dt. dr by dt. But you can write now, but r equal to, they given 15 centimeters. So all you can substitute there now. Yeah, dv by dt equal to, they given 900 equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 into 15 square into dr by dt. dr by dt now. Now here 3 will be cancelled. So remaining all the values you can write this side now. It is 900 by 4 pi into 15 square equal to 225 equal to dr by dt. dr by dt now. Now you can cancel that. 4 in this number, 2 4s are 8. 10 means 2 4s are 8 and 5 times. And these two are cancel again. So what about remaining? So therefore dr by dt equal to 1 by pi centimeter per second. Or if you want, you can, this is you can change, or else you can leave. That is your choice only. One by pi centimeter per second. Some issues there will be yes. So whatever possibilities are there, let's let them do that. Because in our hand nothing is there. Yes, they have to do all those things. But the same issue and the same price bring to the management. Same thing like for they have returned to the principal sir tomorrow. They will change. Standard, eight standard. What happened? Okay, that means you have to join unlimited set of them. How will it become then? Is the some network issues there will become like this? Correct. What message once who will terminate? In my class, no one will terminate. In my, no, actually in my class, so I am the host. I am not terminating anyone. I am giving chance to the students only. Yes. I giving chance to the students and what's talk to them. I am not never that to yes, whatever he got a screenshot, just you can send to me also. You let him call me by tomorrow morning. I'll see that. No, some network issue. Yes. You have to look for that. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Okay. I will see any possibilities there means definitely I will tell you no problem. Okay. Because it is the this is now teachers yes the teachers shortage is there. I am also struggling a lot because for giving observation and all those things. Okay, so yes, definitely, definitely. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yes, yes. Okay. Ah, okay. Ah. Done. Right. Next one. The same kind of question you can write now based on the balloon only. We'll understand. Okay, we'll get more clarity about that. Same model. Right. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Has a variable radius. This some little bit changes, small changes only. It's not more changes here now. The radius, full stop. Find the rated. Find the rate. Find the rated. Find the rated. Which its volume is. Which its volume is. Volume is. Volume is increasing with the increasing with the radius with the radius when the later is when the later is 10 centimeter. Later is 10 centimeter. This is the question now. Here what is given and what we have to find. Please respond. Here what is given and what we have to find here now. That idea we have to get immediately. The balloon always remains spherical, has a variable radius. Variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing. But here, you know, in this condition, the radius is not increasing. They are not given any condition there. They gave only one condition we have, that is the we have to find the rate at which its volume is increasing. That's all. That means clearly we have to find only dv by dt. We have to find when the radius equal 10 centimeters. When radius equal to 10 centimeters, we have to find the dv by dt. We have to find. Okay, that's all. Yes. Right now, find it. It's very easy only. But that volume we will take with respect to the radius, with respect to the time we will take. Here we have to find dv by dt we have to find, and dv by dr we have to find. We have to find dv by dt or dv by dr. No, please respond.
So both, sir.
What is that? We have to find dv by dt, na?
Yes, sir.
Now in this problem, once you can see clearly, they discuss about any time here, anywhere. They given starting itself the balloon. Okay, the balloon always remains spherical, has variable radius. Find the rate of which is its volume is increasing with the radius only. Increasing with the radius. It's not increasing at the rate of some other time it is 3 centimeter per seconds like this. They're not going like this.
That
Increasing
means
with the
dV by dr.
radius. That means we have to find only here dV by dr. The small changes you can see. A dV by dr equal to how much? But radius equal to they given 10 centimeters. This is given. This is we have to find. Okay. Now we can write. So therefore the volume of volume of balloon equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. We know very well that. So V equal to, you can write now 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here differentiate with respect to time or radius. Differentiate with respect to time or radius. Differentiate with respect to radius only. Should remember that. It's not time. So therefore dV by dr equal to, so 4 by 3 into pi is the anyhow constant value. 4 by 3 pi is the constant. The differentiation of r cube equal to, you can write now 3r square. But we know very well that one. But r equal to how much? 10 centimeters. R equal to 10 centimeters. You can substitute in there. So therefore, dV by dr equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 into 10 square. So 4 by 3 pi into 10 square means 100. 3 into 100 equal to 300. Or else 3 get cancelled directly. So this one you can write now 3 cancel means 3 square 10 square means 100. 4 into 100 equal to 400 pi centimeter cube. 400 pi centimeter cube. That's all. Or else you can write now cubic centimeters you can write. Both are same thing only. So dV by dr equal to 400 pi centimeter cube. That is the answer. If you want to hear, you can clearly can write now respectively at any instant also you can write. At any instant t. That means at what the meaning at any instant t means at any time. At any time. If what you can just continue this point also you can write. Because here we are not taking with respect to time here now. That's why we're mentioning that clearly. At any instant t. Thirteenth one. The radius of an air bubble is increasing. Air bubble increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. 1/2 centimeter per second. Full stop. At what rates the volume of the bubble is increasing increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter. When the radius is 1 centimeter. Question mark. The question now. Okay. See now, the radius of an air bubble increasing at the rate of 1 by 2 centimeter per second. What is the meaning of air bubble? What is the shape of air bubble? The shape of air bubble.
Sphere.
Sphere. Yes. But increasing at the rate of, it will be increasing. It is increasing means what will be increasing here now? Volume or radius? Please tell me.
Both, sir. Even the
It's
radius
okay.
and
That means
the
volume also means first radius is increasing means the automatically volume also increasing. It's correct. You can see the clearly 1 by 2 centimeter per second. That means what you can write now? They can say a radius. That means dr by dt equal to 1 by 2 centimeter per second. Always remember that one. No? If the given volume of any air bubble is increasing at the rate of, they'll give compulsory some other value, cubic centimeters, they'll give cubic centimeter per second. But the radius of any air bubble increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second means clearly they given here now dr by dt equal to half centimeter per second. One condition. And what we have to find, at what rates the volume of the bubble is increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter. So clearly we have to find here now dv by dt equal to how much? dv by dt equal to how much? I think same we are getting. But here now, don't write balloon here now. This is the bubble you can write. Instead of spherical bubble, you can write now air bubble. Let v comma r are volume and radius of air bubble respectively at any instant. But particular time is given. That means here no need to write at any instant here. No need to write at any instant. Okay. But previous problem, they are not given any time. That's why we are taking that any instant time we are taking. So here we they given very clearly. First one dr by dt equal to 1 by 2 centimeter per second is given, and we have to find dv by dt equal to question mark. This is we have to find now. So therefore, volume of air bubble, equal to same thing only 4 by 3 pi r cube, because the shape of the air bubble equal to sphere shape. So but it's a differentiate with respect to time now. So therefore dv by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi is the constant value, and differentiation of r cube equal to will get clearly 3r square into dr by dt. 3r square into dr by dt. But here we know that one. But r equal to how many centimeters now? R equal to 1 centimeter. R equal to 1 centimeter. That's what I can substitute in there. So dv by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi, right, as it is only, into 3 into 1 square into dr by dt equal to half centimeter. That means you can write now 1 by 2. So here 3 cancel out, 2 in this number 2 times. So therefore dv by dt equal to 2 into, this is the 2 pi only, 2 pi centimeter cube per second. dv by dt equal to 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Finish. This is the more important question. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Now find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. We means dv by dx we have to find. dv by dx. Shall I start now? Answer. If you completed means I'll start the class. Okay, the solution. Finish. Shall I start now? Anyone tell me now? Here, what is given and what we have to find? What is given and what we have to find here?
So diameter is given.
Diameter is given. So diameter of the spherical balloon main equal to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1.
The radius will be 3 by
Radius
4
equal
into
to
2x plus 1.
diameter by 2. We know very well that 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 we are getting. Later we have to find the volume of the balloon we have to find. But what is shape of the balloon here? No, spherical shape. So from 4 by 3 pi r cube. So both just you can substitute in there now. Later after simplifying that we got the some volume we are getting. That volume we have to differentiate with respect to x. That is the answer for that one. So you can write clearly that let you can take here v comma d and r and r volume comma diameter and radius of spherical balloon respectively. Spherical balloon respectively, but here they are not given any time now. So compulsory we have to write this value now. At any instant t also you can write. At any instant t. Or else you can write now balloon respectively. No problem that. So therefore given here, given diameter d equal to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Next. So therefore the radius of balloon equal to, so therefore radius of balloon equal to balloon r equal to the diameter by 2. We know very well that formula it is equal to, you can write now 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1 whole by 2. Therefore our radius equal to 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1. 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 units it is. And this one you can substituting in the volume. So therefore volume of balloon equal to volume of balloon equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So therefore v equal to, you can write now 4 by 3 pi into r equal to, you can write clearly that 2x plus 1, sorry, 3 by 4, the 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now simplify these values. 4 by 3 into pi into 3 cube means you can write now 27 by 4 cube means you can write around 4 cube you can write 4 cube into the 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1 whole cube. 4 in this time 2 times and 3 here now 9 times. Therefore volume equal to, we get clearly 9 by 16 pi 9 by 16 pi into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Cubic centimeter per unit you can write now. The volume. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here only you can write if you want. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So therefore dv by dx equal to anyhow it is the 9 by 16 into pi is the constant value. You can write outside now. But differentiation of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Please tell me. D by dx of 2x plus 1 whole cube. It's like you can take here x power n, you can take x power n. So 9 by 16 pi into this one you can write now 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into again d by dx of 2x plus 1. D by dx of 2x plus 1. Now you can differentiate 9 by 16 pi into 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into the differentiation of 2x plus 1 equal to 2x equal to 2 and 1 equal to 0. So clearly you can write not 2 only. So 2 in this number 8 times. So 3 9s are 27 by 8 pi into 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the cubic centimeter per unit. This is the value of dv by dx. dv by dx. So we can't simplify that one. You can stop the procedure here. That's all. Simple question. Nothing is there. It's not that much difficult. It is very easy only. First we have to find the volume. Later we have to differentiate with respect to x. First we have to find the volume. And you can differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay. Yes. The remaining question tomorrow will continue. So first all of you first copy this question. Later you can leave. Tomorrow just we are going to the some other questions.
Thank you, sir.
Completed.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Welcome. sir.